How to create a profit and loss in Google spreadsheet. If you're in your Google Drive, create a spreadsheet by clicking the Google spreadsheet. And then title the tab, profit and loss. Then create another tab for cash receipts. And create another tab for cash for expenses. In your profit and loss, put your name and your year ending. Put your date, month, until December, and then total. Just put your cash receipts and expenses. So here, just use cash basis. So you will track your income and expense based on the flow of cash. So you can put the total for cash receipts and then expenses, just list all your expenses, advertising, um, rent, electricity, water, internet, salaries, contributions, others, for example. You can create many expenses as much as possible and then just add a total and then create the net profit formula. Let's have a total for expenses. And then let's add all the expenses for the year. This is our net profit. This is our total expenses. Cash receipts. For cash receipts, cash receipts, year 2025. Let's put the date, month, and you can add additional information. So just add January 1 onwards. So you can add the total cash receipts per month. Let's have a sample 10,000. Then Just arrange this to that total for Feb. Let's have a sample 15,000 for Feb. Then let's create the expenses. So here, just use this expenses. Okay, use that. Internet, total. Add the date. Perfect. Add the total. For each level item. Got it. And just link each expense to your expense tab. Let's put some figures. 1,500, 5,000. Others, 900. Here's a sample profit and loss that you can use. Just create the month of Feb onwards using this format and template. Then you're good to go for your whole year profit and loss. If you have questions, just message us on how to create one and we will guide you through. Thank you so much and have a great day.